today we're making chili rellenos. I've already cooked them over an open flame on my cook stove in the house just to get them ready. After we scorched them over an open flame, we placed them in a plastic bag with a little bit of water in it so they would steam and cook a little bit. I guess it helps that skin come off too. Now I used 4 eggs, separating the egg whites from the yolks, and now we want to save the yolks for later to put back into this mixture, which will be the batter for our chili rellenos. Well, I believe we found the last egg here. Now we're going to get that all separated. Set that egg over there to the side, and then we're going to put this egg whites into the mixer. Okay, I guess we better get these egg whites over to the mixer. We'll get them a-going here in a little bit. Now what these are going to look like is kind of like the meringue topping on a pie before it's over, and then we're going to add the egg yolks back in there, which will make our batter when we fry these chili rellenos. Now you can see how it's frothing up. Man, this is going to be good. It really turns out great. Now after the egg whites get good and frothy, add those egg yolks back into it. Now put that beater back down into it and let it mix until you have kind of a creamy texture there. It'll be a thick, creamy texture. It'll be delicious. Now I didn't put any seasonings in it, but you could add some salt and pepper and different seasonings into this if you want, but I didn't do that. And you can kind of notice the texture of this mixture now. And this is what we're going to use to dip the chili rellenos in before we fry them. Now we're going to slice open these peppers, and we're going to remove the seeds, get all the seeds out that you can. They're a large seed, so you might as well get them out of there. Now, that seed is at the top where the stem is. The seeds are a cluster of them. And just take a knife and cut that off and take it out of there, and then remove any of the other seeds that may have fell off in there. Now, my personal preference today was using queso cheese. I thought that would go well with the pepper and then the sauces that we put on it later. Now you can put whatever you want to in here. You can stuff it with whatever you want. Cheese, chicken, beef, whatever you like. Ground beef, anything. Anything will go good in these. It'll taste great. Now I'm going to take some toothpicks and kind of sew it together. We'll just kind of go down through there. I may have put more than I needed, but at least it stayed together. Hey, I'm telling you, these taste great. And I have been wanting to try this on the griddle, and this is where this is going to. It's going on the griddle to be fried. Not in a skillet, not in a deep fryer. It's going on my Blackstone griddle. Okay, we're only doing 2 of these, and here we are. We're getting the second one ready to go and get it ready. Okay, griddle, ready or not, here we come. I believe I should have let it heat up a little more. Get them covered real good. I know you can't see that. I've got my mix I made in the house there. And I'm thinking that my burner needs to be a little bit hotter. See how hot we are here. 272, yeah, she needs to be up about 300. Let's kick one on just to get her started. Get it up there, and then we'll Being this isn't deep frying, we're going to have to turn it a little bit to make things work out. So, let's see what happens here. Put another one down here. Now, we're going to turn that one. And looky there, where it was on the griddle didn't cover it. But that'll be all right. It'll be fine. Things are going to work out fine. Okay. And down. If it was a little bit hotter when I started, that would have done a lot better. But I believe this is going to work. And we'll use our lid to help cook these also. That helps a lot. This basting cover is what I call my lid. Well, they're smelling good. Yeah, we're gonna now add some red enchilada sauce. Oh, these are gonna taste good. All right. Cheese inside this queso blanca. Hey, you can put whatever you want inside these. Any cheese you want in here. Don't you get it? Looky there. Absolutely delicious. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Hey, click on one of them other videos and I'll meet you there.